Hi everybody. Today we're going to start doing more formal SST classes, and during SST from 12:25 to 1:55 every day on Mondays and Fridays you're going to be working on literacy, and on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday you're going to be working on math. So if I go out to my classes and I see the tiles, everybody should have enrolled in the Dynamics 802 SST class. And if you click on that class, I'm going to go to classwork, and you'll see, just like I've structured the humanities class, there are literacy activities and then there are literacy resources. Today we'd like you to complete this sentences pre-assessment, and then we'd also like you to visit the Dynamics 802 SST sentence website. And the sentence website looks like this, and you can see that there are the directions, the steps to completion right at the top. And as you scroll down, there are 2 videos we'd like you to watch. You can do that today if you have time. And then as you move down, you'll see that there's a document embedded in the website, and that document has a variety of activities that we're going to ask you to complete over the course of the month of October. The purpose of all this is to make sure that you understand what sentences are and what they look like. And at the end of the unit, we're going to see if you can't earn a badge with your sentences. Once you complete your badge, you'll put the evidence of your growth and learning on your PLP evidence page, and you'll be all set to go. So again, this is the sentences website. This is where you'll find the independent practice and the steps to achievement so that you can get certified in sentences through the month of October. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. Thanks and good luck.